Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn Language with Nisa. Today we are going to learn something about personal information, not only short words but also with long sentences, which will help you people to understand and to speak Hebrew as much as fast you can. Okay, so let's start. What's your name? What's your name? מה השם שלך? For male, מה השם שלך? For female, מה השם שלך? מה השם שלך? Do you speak Hebrew? It means like, do you speak Hebrew? את מדברת עברית? For female, okay? את מדברת עברית? For female. אתה מדבר עברית? For male, okay? את מדברת עברית. Do you speak Hebrew? את מדברת עברית. For female. Do you speak Hebrew? אתה מדבר עברית. For male. Okay? Do you speak Hebrew? אתה מדבר עברית. For male. Just a little. קצת. Okay? קצת. אני מדברת עברית קצת. I just know עברית little means אני מדברת עברית קצת. My name is Nisha. שם שלי נישה. My name is Nisha. שם שלי נישה. Okay? For male or female, you have to differentiate because there are the grammatical differences between male and female, as we know all. Yeah. So let's start again. Mr. Adon, Mr. Adon, Mrs. Giveret, Mrs. Giveret, Miss Giveret. Giveret. Nice to meet you. Nai meod. Nice to meet you. Nai meod. You are very kind. You are very kind. Atmafe. Atmafe. You are very kind. Atmafe. Where are you from? Where are you from? מאיפה את? For female, מאיפה את? מאיפה את? For female. Where are you from? For male, מאיפה אתה? מאיפה אתה? Where are you from? For male, מאיפה אתה? I am from India. אני מהודו. I am from India. אני מהודו. I am from Filipina. Ani me Filipino. I am from Israel. Ani me Israel. I am Nepali. Ani Nepali. I am Indian. Ani Hodu. Ani Israeli. I am Israeli. Ani Israeli. I am Israeli. Where do you live? Ifo Atagara. For female, okay? Where do you live? Ifo at gara. For female. For male, ifo ata gar. Where do you live? For male, ifo at ifo ata gar. For male. For female, where do you live means ifo at gara. Ifo at gara. I live in Israel. Ani gara ve Nepal. If you live in Nepal, okay? If you live in India, I live in Ani gara ve Hodu. I said I live in Israel, yes? So I have to say Ani gara ve Israel. Because I am lady, that's why I am saying Ani gara ve Israel. If you are man, then you can say Ani gar ve Israel. Okay? Did you like here? Ata ahavta? Yes, can. Yes, can. Did you like it here? Did you like it here? Ata oheppo? You can say like this also. Okay? There are so many different sentences you can connect and speak. Not only one certain words or sentence you can speak in one time. Israel is beautiful country. Israel is a beautiful country. In Hebrew, Israel aretz yafa. Israel ze aretz yafa. Israel ze yafe. There are so many different sentences you can speak, okay? Not only same word or only single word. Where do you work? Where do you work? Ifo ata obed for male. Ifo ata obed for female. Where do you live? Where do you work means for female. Ifo at obedet. Ifo at obedet. Ifo at obedet. Okay? I work in Tel Aviv. I work in Tel Aviv. Ani obedet ba Tel Aviv. Ani obedet ba Tel Aviv. For male, female, you can say I means ani. Obedet means work. But Tel Aviv means in Tel Aviv. Okay? Let's go to another one. Do you like Hebrew? Do you like Hebrew? At Wahebet Ibrit for female. Okay? This one is for female. Do you like Hebrew? For female. At Wahebet Ibrit. For female. Do you like Hebrew? Means for male. Ata Waheb Ibrit. I love it. I do love Hebrew language. It means can. Ani ohebet Ibrit. Yes, I love Hebrew language. Can. Ani ohebet Ibrit. Okay? Can. Ani ohebet Ibrit. Can. Ani ohebet Ibrit. How old are you? Ben kama ata. For male, okay? How old are you? For male. Ben kama ata. Ben kama ata. For female, how old are you means bat kamat. Bat kamat. How old are you? For male, ben kama ata. How old are you? For female, bat kamaat. I am 25 years old. Ani bat 25. For female, okay? I am talking about myself. I am 25 years old. Ani bat 25. This is not my proper age, okay? I am just saying it randomly. So don't think it's my age. I am 25 years old. Ani bat 25. If male or any man have to say this, I am 25 years old, then he can say in Hebrew like this. Ani ben, okay? Bat is for female, ben is for male, okay? Ani ben 25. Like I said, Ani bat 25. If you are man, then you can say Ani ben 25. It's simple, okay? Not so difficult. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Huh. Je tov mod. Okay? We can say this, okay? This symbol also sometimes. Je tov mod. Je tov mod. Je tov mod. Okay, I have to go now. Okay, I have to go now. בסדר. עכשיו אני צריך ללכת. בסדר. עכשיו אני צריך ללכת. I will be right back. I will be right back. אני חוזרת. I will be right back. אני חוזרת. אני חוזרת. See you soon. להתראות. להתראות. Okay, this was the very short introduction portion